Grabe ang demand sa Maynilad IPO. Halos lahat ng mga stockbrokers na alam ko, maagang tinapos ang kanilang IPO offering. So, paano na? Pwede ka pa bang makahabol? Well, pwede pa naman, pero kailangan mong bilisan kasi hindi na sigurado kung makakakuha ka pa. Just in case hindi mo pa nababalitaan nito, Maynilad, yung water and wastewater concessionaire na nagsiserve sa West Manila yata or sa Greater Manila area is planning to go IPO. Ibig sabihin noon is magpapalista na sila sa stock market so that you and I can invest on it. Now, if you wanted to invest kay Maynila, then that means you need to buy shares nung company. And the only way for you to do that is to have a stockbroker account first. At 15 pesos kada isang share, sobrang naging in demand ito. And currently, the offer period is between October 23 hanggang 29. Pero as I've mentioned, mga stockbrokers halos paubos na or nag-close na ng kanilang offering. Now, may way pa rin naman sa'yo to invest and that is sa stock market na mismo. And yung kanilang listing date kasi is on November 7. So that means sa November 7, makakabili ka na sa stock market nito. Pero nga lang, hindi natin sigurado if magkano na ang papasok na pricing nito. It can be higher than 15, it can be lower than 15.